learned A and B. Are you ready for the next letter? It's the letter C. Can you see it? It's a big curve. Can you say C?
C makes a kuh sound. It comes from your throat. Kuh-kuh-kuh. You try.
Wow, that was a perfect kuh sound. C says kuh. You're so smart.
Now, let's find things that start with kuh. What's that sound? Do you hear that? It's a car. Can you hear it? Kuh-kuh-Car.
Beep, beep. Do you want to go for a drive with me? Buckle up.
We're driving in our CC car. This is so fun. Are you having fun too? Look, I see a new friend. Who is that sleeping in the sun? Ow, it's a cat. Kuh-kuh-Cat. Shh, he's sleeping. He woke up. He likes you. Can you say hi, cat? He's so playful. Do you have a cat at home? Oops.
All that driving and playing. I'm hungry. I need a kuh snack.
Look, an ice cream cone. Yes! Kuh-kuh cone. Strawberry. What's your favorite flavor? Should I share this with you? Whoa! Did you see that? Whew! That was close.
Okay, one more C word.
I smell something yummy. Do you smell that?
It's a cookie. Cookie. Kuh-kuh-cookie. It's huge.
Wow, it's so big. Should I share it with you? Okay. One piece for me and one piece for you. Yummy. Thank you. You were amazing. Let's remember our kuh words. Are you ready? We found a car. And a cat. You got it. And we ate a cone and a cookie. Kuh-kuh-cookie.
You are a C champion. You learned C says kuh. Fantastic work.
That was so much fun. What's next? After C comes
D. See you soon. Bye-bye. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you can watch the next adventure with me.